Well, the weather forecasters promised us an agreeable day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. Stuart, how do you see this one going?
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
Well, here is the lineup for the hosts today.
Well, I think they have a nice balance to their team. A solid back four, two holding midfielders, three creative players in advance of them, and a mobile centre forward. It's a good team.
And here's how Jamaica will line up.
Well, this system gives them a good defensive base. A well-drilled back four, a solid midfield with wide players tucking in, and two forwards who can press the ball. But does it provide enough fluidity going forward? I'm never sure.
And the match begins. Jerome. Baptiste. Shandon Baptiste. Has a go. And that's sound goalkeeping to hang on to the shot like that. Amari Bell. Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, the best players are the ones that can play in tight areas, and he can certainly play in tight areas. He wriggles out situations, he can find that penetrative pass, and he's such a good player when he gets the ball out of his feet and gets shots away. He could be the outstanding player today.
Possession given away, unfortunately. Bobby Reid. Jerome. And that pass could be troublesome. A corner will ensue. Trying to pick out a teammate. The clearance wasn't decisive. Well, body in the way. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Shamar Nicholson. Still passing it around with authority. Oh, in with a chance! And the keeper has denied it.
Well, I've got to say, Derek, he was always in control of that situation. Brilliant stuff.
And the short option preferred. Johnson. Well, nothing comes of it. And tidily played. Reed. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Jerome. And space to cross it. Leon Bailey. And possession lost, intercepted. Is it going to be? Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered. Nicholson. Gray now. Can they create something from here? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. And they will be awarded a free kick for that. Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic. And a body in the way. Oh, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Well, he's given us away. Shamar Nicholson. He's got the right idea with that pass. Well, just fractionally wide. Good strike. Pierre. Jerome. And they continue to advance. And a lot of options here. Must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it, and the volley is struck so cleanly, which shows just how good his technique is. That's a top-class finish.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Leon Bailey. Shamar Nicholson. Well, they keep passing away. Antonio. Can he get them level? Oh, he's missed it!
Well, he'll be very disappointed with that. He should be scoring from there. Well, as you can see, the hosts have had much less of the ball, but their counter-attacking has been really good, particularly in the wide areas. It's been an excellent performance from them so far.
Well, dealt with that ball comfortably. Shamar Nicholson. Effective challenge. Well, it could be on for him here. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Well, he's been a long way from his best up front, Stuart.
Well, he has to find space in more dangerous areas. He's such a good player around the box, but today he struggled to get on the ball, and that's one of the reasons they're losing here.
Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Couldn't keep it. Pierre. And the attacking options appear plentiful. Oh, a save of the highest order.
Well, he got his angles absolutely right. What a good save that is.
Norburn. And intercepted it. There's a slide rule pass. Reed, and really tried to blast that one past the keeper, but his radar was a bit off. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Take it away. Bailey. And he takes it away. 30 minutes left for play. Daniel Johnson. And space to cross it. Gray. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Antonio. And a goal! Real excitement here, the equaliser.
Well, we won't get tired of watching this because the interplay around the box is wonderful, while the movement in the box is equal to it. It's such good timing. What a goal.
So in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Splendid defending, and it needed to be. Daniel Johnson. Here's Bailey. He's got the right idea with that pass. He's blocked it. 20 minutes to go. Jerome. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Bobby Reed. Andre Gray. And intercepting it. The cross is on. But he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. Bobby Reed. Gray, chances on. Bailey. And a goal here! Well, it took a definite nick, and nothing the keeper could do about it whatsoever.
Well, there it is. Quite clearly, it takes a deflection, and that's enough to beat the keeper. Not much he could do there.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Antonio. No, high quality defending. On the ball in an attacking position, but they've got to do something positive quickly. And it's a quality pass. Antonio. Now they've lost it. Moving forward effectively. Superb block. You've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Well, he's allowed it to go over the touchline, so a throw-in. Substitution time it is here. And there goes the final whistle, much to the disappointment of their supporters.
Well, Derek, it was a poor result, but it was a really tight contest. Both sides had their chances, could have gone either way, but in the end, they will be disappointed.
But it just seems in this game, he's been a step ahead of his opponents in every way, Stuart.
Well, that was a great performance. His understanding of how to find space was brilliant today. And, of course, he scored 2 really good goals.
And the match is underway. Still passing it around with authority. And the keeper has denied him.
Well, I've got to say, Derek, he was always in control of that situation. Brilliant stuff.
Is it going to be? Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered. Must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming. Antonio. Oh, he's missed it.
Well, he'll be very disappointed with that. He should be scoring from there.
And really tried to blast that one past the keeper, but his radar was a bit off. They will now make it. And a goal! Real excitement here, the equaliser.